In the earlier lecture, we learned about transition classes. In this one, we'll be taking an example to understand them. So what we have done over here is we have created a div which contains a button and the transition element. Now here, if you compare with the transition effect example, everything remains same. The only thing that changes is with the transition we have provided a new name. We're calling it as slide fade. Now all the classes that we'll be writing for this will have slide fade prefixed. So instead of v active, we'll have slide dash fade dash active. So here you can see that we have defined the classes like slide fade enter active, slide fade leave active, and slide fade enter, and slide fade leave to. So here we have defined the transitions, and then in our main.js file we have created a new Vue instance which is pointing to that div CSS transition. We have initialized the show property, show attribute as true, and here when we will be clicking on the transition button, based on that the transition will take place. So let's go ahead and run it now. You can see that I've highlighted the text hello in the console. So if I click over here, toggle render, it gets hidden initially, and when I click back again over here, you can see how it's coming up or rendering with the transition effect taking place. And you'll also notice that the paragraph text will have all those classes applied when the transition is taking place. You can see that slide fade and all those classes are getting applied to the paragraph text. In the next lecture, we'll be covering CSS animations.